Hello students, this is Dr. Harshit Srivastava, Assistant Professor in the area of Economics. Today we are going to discuss about credit creation by commercial bank. You must have heard that loan creates deposit and deposit creates loan. Now we are going to explain that concept. Now commercial banks, they create credit in economy from deposits. Let's say if you have deposited 1 lakh rupees in your bank account. What do you think? That where is your money? That money actually is used by commercial bank in providing loans. And that again depends on the reserve requirement that is mandated by the central bank of any country. Let's say for India, let's take a hypothetical example that CRR and SLR in the jointly is around 20%. So if you have deposited 1 lakh rupees in your bank account, then bank, after making reserve of 20%, that is 20,000 from your deposit of 1 lakh, will provide loan of 80,000. Now somebody who is getting loan of 80,000 must be getting his loan in his deposit account. So automatically that loan amount will be credited in deposit account. So let's say 80,000 is again deposited in deposit account. Now bank again creates that kind of thing, that 80,000 and 20% of 80,000, that is reserve requirement. Keeping that reserve requirement, it will provide loan for 64,000. Now this whole process will go on till we reach the result, and final result will be, that is 5 lakh will be the total deposit and 4 lakh will be the total loan and 1 lakh will be the total reserve requirement. Now this is how it works. So we have seen this, that deposit of 1 lakh is creating total credit in economy of approximately 40 lakh, or if you are talking about 1 lakh, then 4 lakh. So this number again depends on the deposit multiplier and credit multiplier. So what is deposit multiplier? Deposit multiplier is the total deposit, that is your total deposit that a bank is going to create out of primary deposit. So let's say in this example, the total initial deposit was 1 lakh rupees and reserve requirement is 20%. So 1 divided by 20%, that is 1 divided by 0.2, that is 5. So total deposit multiplier is 5. So if you have deposited 1 lakh rupees, that deposit is going to create how much total deposit? 5 lakhs, that is 5 times. Similarly, credit multiplier refers to 1 minus RR, that is 1 minus reserve requirement divided by reserve requirement. So if your reserve requirement is 20%, then 1 minus 20% is 0.8. That is numerator divided by reserve requirement 0.2. So value of credit multiplier will be 4. So your primary deposit of 1 lakh will be creating total credit in economy of 4 lakh. So this is how banks create credit. Now one question for you all. Suppose you deposited 20 lakh in your bank account. As you know that bank do not keep deposit with themselves, rather they keep lending. So let's say CRR is 5% and SLR is 20%. If you have to calculate total deposit and credit created, then you have to apply a simple formula, that is deposit multiplier is equal to 1 divided by total reserve requirement. So reserve requirement in this case is 25%. So 1 divided by 0.25, that is 4. So 20 lakh multiplied by 4, that is 20 lakh is going to create total deposit of 80 lakhs and total credit of 60 lakh. Now how total credit came? 1 minus RR, that is 1 minus 0.25, 0.75 divided by 0.25, that is 3. 20 lakh multiplied by 3, that is 60 lakhs. So always remember this, that from your deposit, banks are providing loan and they are creating credit in economy. Thank you so much.